Good morning from the beautiful town of Brownwood, Texas. Woke up a bit late this morning only for the fact that it was raining pretty hard and thought it wouldn't be the most fun to be fishing in the rain. So here we are. It's right around 8 a.m. Oh wow, looks like somebody switched my 4Runner with a Cayenne GTS. How kind of them. There's the boat. She survived. She didn't blow away last night. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't a little worried that like I was concerned that this boat would like roll down this hill. Like I know that sounds ridiculous, but the wind was so bad. You guys have no idea. Like 60-mile-per-hour winds. And of course we had that tornado warning. But all is well and well is all. One tip though I have for you guys is always bring the world's longest extension cord, because half the time you won't be able to find an outlet. Or if you're Robin Perrick's case, you'll get the cops called on you. So have a long, low-key extension cord. As you can see, I parked close to the bushes and no one has any idea I was stealing some juice. I think stealing's a hard word. Borrowing some juice for the motor. We gotta film videos, you guys. You know how we do it. Oh yeah, we got some rain last night. Mother Nature's really hammered down on me. Okay. So as you guys may know, in the last video, I had a bit of a struggle. I almost got caught in a tornado. I lost a lot of fish. I fished a lake that was 20 feet over its normal pool level, which is like insanity. Like there was cactuses underwater. So I had to make a quick audible. My whole idea was to fish this one lake for basically 3 days, but of course that wasn't gonna happen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive 50 miles up north where I'm at now in Brownwood and fish a lake called Cisco Lake, or Lake Cisco. I don't know much about this Lake Cisco either, but what I do know is that about a decade ago, the lake record largemouth bass was broken with a whopping 14-pounder. As you know, this whole season I've been monster hunting and looking for that big one. So any lake that I know that has large fish like that in it, I'm going to give it a fair shot. I don't know how the overall fishing's gonna be, but at the very least, I know big ones live there. We're here. Wow, this lake looks dope. Looks like the water's been up to here at some point, and well, the water's high enough to go over the dock. Yeah, she's up there a bit. Even the concrete's underwater. I gotta admit though, it looks really good. Like lots of brush. I'm seeing tons of dock. There's 2 big creek arms that look juicy. These things happen for a reason. I'm a big believer that there's a reason why I wasn't supposed to fish OH Ivy today, and why I've now ended up on this tiny little western Texas lake. So I've got good feelings about this place. I really, really do. I could fish this all day. This is the kind of lake I'm used to fishing. Yesterday I was completely out of my element, fishing basically a flooded prairie in 20 feet of water, and the water clarity is like 800 freaking feet visibility. Like I can't do that. I mean, I can, but it's gonna take me some time. Like I can't just pull up on the ramp and be like, all right, let's make this happen. You know, that was difficult, but this, we'll stay in water, doing some jig fishing and some brush. Sign me up, I'm about it. Oh, I had one. Good bite, good bite, good bite, good bite. Nice start to the day. Right in the brush. He hammered it too. That might have been a good fish. See if he comes back for it. I didn't feel him. Hammered it. That's a good sign. They are in the brush. Don't know how I didn't hook him. Like, geez. First bite of the day came on the blue baby bandito bug. Instead of fishing on the back of a jig, today I'm just fishing it Texas style. This brush looks really good and I want to take my time with it. And the only way I can do that is if I go completely weedless with a 1/4 ounce weight and a big old flipping hook. Nice bite though. Like that is all I needed to get me pumped. Fish are hungry. It's a good sign. I gotta think and think fast. It's getting really, really nasty out here. I think the tornado followed me from OH Ivy to Cisco Lake, so I'm not really sure what I should do. Like I'm in the only protected spot right now. Over there is getting shafted, over there is getting shafted. I'm in this kind of little bone-free zone, so I'm like, what do I do? Like it's just, I'm in a 16-foot V-hull. I'm just asking to get destroyed. Oh my God, okay.
Figure something out. We'll be all right.
So the upsides to West Texas, it's warm, it's generally dry, but it is freaking windy. Lake Cisco's probably only 1,000, maybe a little more acres, and I feel like I'm on Lake Erie right now, and it is especially scary to be out there in that with this little 16-foot boat. Like, I am drenched. I took Lucky, the camera, all my valuables, and stuffed it under the center console because that just got super hairy. I've gotten one bite so far today, and I figured out pretty much nothing, but I'm still determined.
There's one. Got him. Fish on. Feels like a good one too. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna boat flip him. Boat flip him. Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! That is what I'm talking about! Woo! About damn time, Cisco. Oh my lord. I gotta show you where this bait is at. It's down his friggin' gullet. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put us on spot lock so I don't ruin the rest of the spot. That was my first cast in that whole zone too. Gotta tighten my drag a bit. My drag slipped pretty badly on that. What the heck? Woo! Take that, Cisco. One fish down and hopefully many more to go. May have taken a few hours, but we have prevailed. New lake, crusty conditions, and that is the reward that Lucky and I get. Yes! And we're gonna throw them on the scale just out of curiosity. I'm thinking she's probably about 3 pounds straight. Let's find out though. Oh yeah, 3 pounds, 8 ounces. First one for Cisco. I will take it. How weird this water clear is. Oh God, all right, see ya there, chickie. Okay, after I lost that big, I kind of stuck with fishing some rock, steep bank, lead-in bank. There's a creek that's right over there, but it's like really dirty from the rain last night and I didn't really want to fish it. It looks like really nasty. It's probably like a centimeter visibility if that's even possible. So I'm fishing the lead-in bank that goes into there. And these bass will use this kind of bank, this steep, rocky bank as a highway to congregate back into the creeks and the cuts and the channels to spawn. So, you know, of course they're not spawning. The water temp's right around 54 degrees. So I'm kind of catching them like on their way up. Oh, no skunk in this boat, right, Lucky? Boom, put her there. If you heard that, my drag slipped insanely on that fish. This is supposed to be a lockdown reel. Apparently it's not. Fish came right there. There's a big rock. It's the last rock before this point gets super windy. And I was like, all right, I'm just gonna fish it. Maybe there'll be a fish on it. Sure enough, big old stinky annihilated. He choked it. Why are they, like, why is that fish so aggressive but none of the other ones are? Like, I'm confused. Or maybe like I'm not hitting a lot on the head right now. Maybe I need to get right on their spot. Right on their nugget. There's one. Oh my God, he's on. Is he still on? No, I had him. Oh my God, I had him. Oh my God, I had him. I think he came off. He was right on the end of this. I'm such an idiot. I set the hook like a complete goon. Set the hook like a real Goomba. I was holding it with my non-hook setting hand. Oh, 2 bites, so it's a good sign. I'm really starting to kind of figure this out. This is an interesting lake. There's one. He's in the brush. Come out. Come out of there. Come out of there. Yes. Fish number 2. That's another piece of the puzzle. He came on just some isolated brush. Not a Western giant by any means, but any bite is welcome in this boat. See you, bub. There's one. Little one. There he is. Little bass on the bandito. Wow, that one was really tiny. No wonder I keep missing some of these fish. Future share lunker. 13.6, that's how big he's gonna get. I'm calling it. What? This is not right. No! Please tell me this is not something, okay. Hang on. There goes the whole day. There goes the whole trip. I think I literally just broke another Minn Kota. I don't even know what to say. I just want to crawl up in a ball, hide in one of my boat compartments, and let this boat just crash up against the shore for however long it needs to. Why does this keep happening? I think it's your fault. You're the bad luck.
I've got the charging extension cord hooked up to my rigged runner right now. We're gonna see if this is just a charging issue. I know it may seem obvious to be a charging issue, but the motor like literally like stopped working. Like I was moving pretty fast on 5 speed that is. And when I went up to 8, I was going a little faster, and then she just completely stopped. So, moment of truth, let's see what happens. There we go. Okay. Moment of truth. Now let's see what happens. I don't even know. I'm sure I'm gonna get roasted for all you guys who are mechanically sound in the comment section below, but I don't know what the hell happened. This Minn Kota is less than a month old. How the hell? Like, I don't even know. Like, this is the trip. I was gonna fish another, oh man, damn. It's only 3 p.m. too. All right, I'm gonna make some calls, reassess my life in the rig runner. I'm smiling, but I'm actually really freaking upset right now. Like, I don't even know what to think about all this. I basically just rage quit. I left West Texas and now I'm back in Fort Worth. I don't know what to think, honestly. When this kind of stuff happens, like the stuff I don't plan that really sucks, I don't know how to like handle it on camera, and I don't want to stop filming. Of course, it's part of the storyline. Good news is my buddy Blake, who works for Fun & Son, who helped install this motor, is gonna meet me at my crib here in like 15 minutes, and he's gonna see if he can diagnose the issue. I'm hoping that like it's nothing big. Like if it's the whole freaking like computer board or something ridiculous like that again, I'm probably gonna just roll my boat off of a cliff, and I'm gonna have a meetup at the bottom of the cliff as to where the boat's at. So let's see what Blake has to say about the motor. Fingers crossed. I'm just praying it's not completely bunked. Well, you're not gonna believe this, or maybe you are. But you guys know how I kind of mentioned that I thought my trolling motor might be broken again? Well, this is all that needed to be done to fix that issue. What happened? What was the issue? Or there was no issue, it was just...
So this is a fuse, and that's a bolt-on fuse holder.
Yeah.
And so on the back of it, there's a reset.
Yeah.
And it was tripped.
Yeah, and you just, what do you do? How did you fix that?
I just pressed a button.
You just pressed a button.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so first and foremost, huge shout out to my buddy Blake from Fun & Son, who came down here and showed me how much of an idiot I am by just flipping the breaker back to on, which then resulted into breathing life and power back into the Minn Kota. Kind of a double-edged sword for a couple reasons, one of which West Texas obviously was not in good shape. Tornadoes, windstorms, all this jazz. But at the same time, I really wanted to film like a really cool micro series for you guys in West Texas. Well, it was kind of nasty out there. I was catching fish, I was figuring a pattern. If I only would have just thought to check back here, then yeah, I mean, I know, like, I get it. It's such a rookie mistake. You guys have to understand, this is probably my second year owning the boat. I'm still figuring all these odds and ends. Nonetheless, we're back at the crib. I am still gonna fish tomorrow. It's not gonna be in West Texas. I might as well just include it in this little series. Just one of the many stupid things I've done throughout the years of being alive. As you can see, she is working. Why? I think I'm gonna definitely try to recreate this somehow. Pick a better weather week, come a little bit more prepared. I did plan this trip for about 2 weeks, but I think there could be a little bit more planning that could go on to it. I mean, I had to pull an audible today and I fished a lake that I didn't know anything about. So with that being said, I still hope you guys enjoyed. I am gonna go fishing tomorrow, so I might just ravel that in to the little series, but I think we're gonna do a little bank mission for all you guys out there who don't have boats. And honestly, boats kind of give me a headache, so a bank mission sounds nice. What do you think? What do you think, Toots? You wanna crack open this beer and end today's video? I agree. So without further ado, you beautiful Jeets, I am signing out, bidding farewell. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I seriously hope you enjoyed. I appreciate the views. Stay safe, stay warm, and as always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop.
There's one. That was quick. Second cast. That's a good one, dude. Get the net, get the net, get the net. Oh my God, it's a good one. It's a good one. Bro, get the net. Oh my God, get the net, bro. Get the net. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get the net. Get the net. Oh my God.